Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account for Bing Image Creator. So basically you need a Microsoft account for signing in into Bing Image Creator. So we're just gonna do that. So first of all, open up Microsoft Edge, then from there type in bing.com image creator, hit enter. Now once you're here, you'll have to go to the website. Now in here you will have to click on join and create and click on sign in with a personal account. Now, if you have your Microsoft account, you can just type in your email here. As I don't have one, so I'm just going to create one. Just click on create one. Then you're going to have to type in your email here. After typing in the email, hit on next. Now from there, you will have to type in your first and last name. After doing that, you will have to click on next again. After that, you will have to select your country and also you have to type in your birth date right here. I'm just going to put a random birth date right here. 95. That. Hit next again. So after that, you will have to verify your email, and for doing that, they will send you an email, and you will have to paste in that code right here. Now, after I've typed in the code, just click on next again. After that, you will have to solve a puzzle to confirm that you're not a robot. Next. And after that, you will be at this page here again. So just click on join and create again. Click on sign in with a personal account. And now you'll be signed in via that account. And now you can use Bing AI for generating images. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create a Bing image generator account. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.